excited that in this Connection exhibition, I will have the opportunity to create a new performance off limits, ask questions about whose territory are we in, how we negotiate our moves, also who owns it and who doesn't. So it is a conversation in motion in the gallery. The space we inhabit is also the way to indicate our existence. If when we lose our home, physically or just psychologically, it leaves us in a state of limbo to the other. And having that sense of safety, it creates a space of negotiation. In this piece, what I try to do is to acknowledge that negotiation between the space. Who owns this space? Is this space mine, or do you rule this space? Are we all here to coexist? For me, using my body is really a powerful tool, not only because it portrays that human flesh and all that carries, through history and life, but I feel like being present and experience myself. It's like healing from the trauma that we all go through. And especially when I am a migrant here in this country, I also experience so many difficulties, and there's no way that I can go, be away from it. So healing is part of my process to do my art.